A classic cocktail crafted in the early 20th century, the Hanky Panky is a delightful concoction that combines gin, sweet vermouth, and Fernet Branca for a balanced, herbaceous flavor. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces gin, preferably London dry gin, 1½ ounces sweet vermouth. A good quality vermouth makes all the difference. 2 dashes Fernet Branca, an Italian Amaro that adds a unique bitterness. For equipment you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, strainer, cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Add the gin, sweet vermouth, and Fernet Branca into a mixing glass filled with ice. Stir well until the mixture is well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with an orange twist. The Hanky Panky was created by Ada Coleman, one of the first female head bartenders at the American Bar in the Savoy Hotel, London, in the early 20th century.